What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kanai again. We're coming up with another tutorial. It's 11:56 p.m. I should be sleeping, but I am not. So right now we're going to be putting in practice everything what we have been learning so far, which is not too much yet. So we're coming up with assignment number 1. I already have the public class, which is going to be assignment number 1. I already have my main method. It's ready to go. So, and what is the assignment? So the assignment is the following. I remember going to college, and this is the first assignment they gave me while I was studying Java programming. So let's open up. It's right here. Yeah, and this is my first assignment. So it says, sorry for the many tabs I have open. So I guess I like that. Maybe a lot of people don't like that, like my wife, but it's all good. So I have, it says build a Java program that prints out the following information. My name is, my favorite movie is. So this is a summary from the teacher that he gave me. So if I were doing it, my output will look like this. My name is Spencer Hilton, and my favorite movie is Warrior. And this is how they wanted just to send it. And this is what you have to use so far in the program. You know, but so if you are following with the tutorials, so what you can do it so far for what you know, this is just simple and basic. What you can do is just pause the video and try if you can just come up how to do it, how to do this program. And it should be simple enough. Okay, and let's see this. So let's do it. Okay, let's go back. My name is Tata. My favorite movie is. Okay, so what we need. So right now, let's do a comment. Um, so it's going to be print out my name and favorite movie. Yeah, favorite movie. Okay, how do you do that? Command system, the print line, parentheses, double quotes, and that's forget it, print. And you finish with the semicolon, and then right here, what do you say? My name is. My name is. Let's go back. Let's go back and see again. My name is. It has to look like this. In this case is. My name is Pastor Canayo. Okay, and then we have to do another one. So I should just type it so that way I can just help you. The more that you type, the better that you can memorize it or get used to just typing it. And they want this. My favorite movie is. So you can just write down your favorite movie. In my case, my favorite movie, is The Walking Dead. It's my favorite movie, but I haven't watched for a while. So I got my comment. Maybe right here I should set another comment, one line comment right here. Should have said and of main. Right here it should be end of class. Yeah, right? And maybe right here we can just do, just to get used to, um, for forward slash, no 8. We need that. And right here we got the name of the program. This is assignment number 1. Okay. Who is doing this? It's me, Pastor Canayo. And what is this about? A little description. We'll say this program prints personal information. Personal fun information. Fun information. Name a movie. Cool. Right? All right. Let's execute that, or let's run the program. It's right here. We got it. My name is Pastor Canayo. My favorite, oh crap, my favorite movie, I messed up, is The Walking Dead. Let's do it again. Okay. My name is Pastor Canayo. My favorite movie is The Walking Dead. Should have stopped with the period. And let's run it again. So, okay, period. So finish that period in there too. Okay, my name is Pastor Canayo. My favorite movie is The Walking Dead. Yeah, does that look the same? So we got everything what they need, what they ask us to do. We got lines or comments, and we have the block of the comment right here to describe your program. Assignment. I don't know how to spell assignment. But anyway, hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully it helps you in your journey. But this was a very simple program. And that's how you start. You start simple, and then you start building up more and more your knowledge, and then you just do bigger things in programming, especially with Java. There's so much you can do with Java. So thank you for checking the video. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe and share it and enjoy. Have a good night. Bye-bye.